Hello my friends, this is Wolfgang with Tools for Ascension, and my gift to you is how to use a dowsing rod. And so the cheapest way is to use a coat hanger, and some pliers, and you get something like this, preferably in a right angle. And what you do is you just make a pipe, with your hands, and make sure, this thing can pivot, without restriction. So, it takes some skill. This shouldn't be resting in here. Yeah, see, I'm rotating, it doesn't. So this is pretty good. Of course, for about 15 bucks. And I'm not selling these. I'm not a peddler. So I'm just showing you Tools for Ascension. Here you have all copper, and you have beautiful little pipes there. So you don't have to worry about your finger position, but you try to still balance it out. You start pointing it down, and then you bring it up, so it can pivot in any direction if it wants to. It's not just held in space by gravity. And then you go for, you have to define of what you want. Let's see, if I want to measure your force field, I state so, and then I move forward. Let's say if I want to measure, see if there is a ley line somewhere here. Well, let's do this here. So I asked if there is a ley line here. And let's try. Well, right now the sun is shining here, so let's turn the camera around and try it out. Okay, so my intent is now to find a ley line, in this way, the closest one. And I use a dowsing rod, and if it separates, this means it's an upflowing ley line. If it comes together, it's a downflowing ley line, where the energy is kind of flowing into the earth. They're kind of sheets of energy, kind of like northern lights. And so let's just go. So I'm going to try to, point them down. So now they're resting. I bring them up. And now I keep going slowly, slowly. I want to have ley line, ley line, ley line, ley line. And here they're crossing, right? So it's right under this. There's a little water thing going under here. Let's just try from the other side, right? Pointing down, bringing it up, free moving forward. I want to measure ley lines. I want to measure ley lines. And bam, they're separating here at the same spot, coming from this direction, coming from this direction. There's, of course, a water fluid coming here. And when I stand on it, let me just tune in. Oh, yeah. I can feel the energy rising up with me. And, if you find a place where 2 ley lines cross or 3 ley lines cross, and they're all flowing upwards, this is a power spot. This is the spot where to go and meditate. I hope this helps you. Try it out next time. Try with coat hangers. And then if you like that, go to professional ones. I have a lot more videos. And just check on Tools for Ascension by Wolfgang, and I also do personal sessions. Well, if you're interested, just go into the description below. And like always, I love you long time.